Hello, people. I hope you have been enjoying the class so far. Now, I want to talk about the different types of contents that you can create for your business. Remember, content is any information that you want to pass, anything that will help you sell your market. Alright. You're passing information, you want to entertain your audience, you want to inspire them, engage with them. So you create different content to achieve that purpose. You don't have to always focus on one particular type of content, maybe just writing or just your picture. Sometimes you can mix it up, alright, to give people variety, to make your page interesting, and then to be able to appeal to people, different types of audiences. We see different kinds of content. People react and respond to content different ways. So some people might prefer video, alright, to catch their attention with video. For some, it might just be some cartoons. For some, it might be just serious stuff. So you create different content to appeal to different types of audience. So let's just jump in straight. The first type of content you can create are inspirational and motivational content. Okay, most times you post this in the morning, right? Especially Monday mornings. You can call it Monday motivation. You motivate people for their work. You send a prayer, something to inspire them not to give up. You just do that. You don't have to, but it's always nice to do. Like for instance, the first day of every month, people usually post prayers for the month, or well wishes and stuff like that. The second type is announcements. For instance, if your business is changing location, maybe you just got a new store, alright, or you are just restocking a new item, it's a post, it's a content. So depending on just write it or announcement, please write, or you can make a video to talk about it. That's another content for you. The third is you could have cartoons. Okay, if you are very good with making cartoons and those things, you could make one, or you could steal one. But make sure you always give credit to other people's creative works, so that nobody will come to harass you later that you stole their content. Number 4, you could create humor posts, humor content, jokes, something to just make people laugh. Maybe you could post something trending on Twitter, you could post something trending on the blog, but just make anything you post have the permission. If it isn't yours, if it's yours, it's okay. So you could even have do a dance off and just for fun, just do something goofy, just to make people laugh and relax. Number 5, you could post behind the scenes videos. Behind the scenes videos are videos that shows how your process for your work, how it goes. Okay, for instance, you could if you bake, you could do a video of how you make your products. Usually you probably just post the finished product. So now you could post a video of how you are making it. You could post a video of you going to source or products for your flour and sugar. You could post videos of how you choose your baking pans, how you anything that normally wouldn't have been part of your content. Just the purpose of behind the scenes is to show your customers how you take precaution and caution when handling their items. Okay, they want maybe you're packaging, maybe if you make hair or something, how you package it, how you deal with customers, customer service, how you relate to your employees, anything that normally would have been a behind the scene. Number 6, you could run giveaways. Giveaways are very nice, especially if you want to boost your follower count, if you want more people to follow, because for giveaways they usually have terms and conditions where you say, oh, follow this page, like, comment, and tag your friends, invite your friends must be following, and at the end they win something. You must always fulfill your promise in giveaways. If you promise to give away something, you have to always give it away. Alright, and be fair with it. Don't just give it to your friends because you can always go and collect it. But try and make it free for all, fair to all. Okay. Then 7, you could do testimonials, post testimonials. Testimonials are people's recommendations, like maybe at the end of this course you could write a testimonial and tell me, oh, I mean, you could send me a testimonial, a review, and say, oh, this course was amazing, I learned a lot. Or it could be like, oh, the course was too advanced for me and all that. Then I'll now take it and post it just to boost my own credibility and expertise. So that's what testimonials do. It gives people a proof, social proof that, oh, this person is actually good. Because a lot of people that wanted to patronize you, buy from you, use your service, are hesitating, they have doubts because they don't know anybody that has used you. But when they see this testimonial, it gives them this kind of assurance that, okay, maybe it's not a scam. There are people. So remember yesterday the question was, how do we get people to believe in us that we are not scam? Testimonials are testimonials. The more information you can put in testimonials, like people speak, people making the video with their faces, not just to WhatsApp. But these days you can always write anything to yourself on WhatsApp and post it and say it's a testimonial. So if you can make it as open, alright, unbiased as possible, to get people's attention. Number 8 type of content is latest industry trends. Okay, so for instance, if you're into the cryptocurrency business, you could post about what's happening with Bitcoin. Okay, you could post about maybe there are some customs. If you're into importation, you could post about customs, what's happening with custom and importation. Maybe there's a border closure, there's an increase, or something has happened. Something that's related to your industry, what you do, the big fashion industry. Maybe one big giant has closed or has opened, or stuff like that. Number 9, you could post seasonal posts. Seasonal posts are posts that only happen once in a while. For instance, Christmas. So you could post something that's relating to the season. Just be creative. You don't have to copy what other people are doing. You could always make up something on your own. The truth is, if you post something that I changed it, you can always delete it, or you can leave it and learn from other things to come and cover it. Okay, so don't be too hesitant. Don't be too afraid of posting something that it's not that serious. Number 10, you post contests. Alright, contests are like at the end of the day, it's for like giveaway. You give something away. So you post like a video. You could post like ask a question to your audience so they will answer you and then you give them the answer. Anything, just post something like a game. Those are content. Number 11, you post transformations. Transformations are especially good for people that help to change people from one state to the other. Especially things like weight loss, okay, hair growth, enhancers. So you show a before and an after. Those are transformations, how it was before and how it is after. So you can use videos or pictures, and it goes very hand in hand with testimonials, transformations. So we could do fun facts. So maybe fun facts like 10 things to know about when you want to buy hair, right? 10 things. Did you know this about this? Did you know that you can use your standing fan as a hair dryer? Stuff. In fact, we're like, wow, I didn't know. Sending posts, people will be like, oh, I didn't know. Those are fun, and those kind of posts usually get saved fast because people got value from it and they want to, keep it in mind or use it for later. Number 13, tutorial tips, tricks. Tutorials are very, very good. Like I was explaining yesterday, if you sell hair, you create a tutorial about how to take care of your hair, how to make it frontal, how to teach people something. Very good. 14, you can post offers and discount announcements. Maybe price slash between 3rd and 15th of June. We'll be selling our hairs for 15,000 instead of 100,000. That's very wonderful discount offer and announcement to get people to buy. So you have to know that your different content have different purposes. Like I explained yesterday, just engagement could be for entertainment, it could just be to inform people, to inspire them, to educate them. Every post, everything has what it's doing. There's some that's made them to drive a sale. So something like this offers and discount is to drive sale. What you want is sale. So if you know what you are going for, if you know the goal of that post, you now know whether this post is a success or not, and whether you need to be doing more like that. So if for instance you make a discount post and nobody buys, you know that either the way you worded it or something, it didn't work. Or if it worked very well, you know that yes, this thing works, I'll keep doing it. If something doesn't work, you try and find out why it didn't work. You don't just dump it. There are different reasons why a post may not work. We can talk about that later, or maybe in the discussion class. Please, somebody should remind me. Let's talk about why posts do not work, in quotes. Alright, work in terms of giving you the achieve the goal that you planned for it to do. Okay. Number 15, you could post personal posts about your life, what you learned, or tips from your journey. Okay. So for instance, when I started talking about my husband, those are personal posts about my life. Okay. Purpose is for people to get to know me better. Of course, it was for my own good to help my own healing process, but it helps people to know you better, especially if you don't have a store, you're one of the people that could be flagged as scam. So you do a lot of personal posts about yourself, show your picture, show your video, show you at home, relax. You could sometimes you post without makeup, just play around and have fun. Okay. Number 16, post product pictures and offers. I mean, what are we saying? Why would you post your products? I don't even think I need to mention anything about it, because most of you post too much product. You need to meet them sometimes, not every time, sometimes, depends on your business. Okay. 17, post videos, any video, as long as it's moving, post. Just make it interesting. Put yourself in the video, put your product in, just make it interesting, be creative, think outside the box. Like someone was saying that she has a friend now where the turkey is and just calling herself a baby one of turkey. Yeah, just have fun. Forget about what people will think. You don't send anybody. Everybody has their own struggle. And even if anybody thinks something, by the time they finish and move, before the end of the day, something else has happened and carry their mind. Don't worry about other people. Everybody will be fine. Last. Really. Number 18, post names. Names are like all those kind of like cartoonish things. Just fun videos. All those, mostly you find them on blogs, or maybe people that post lots on Twitter. A lot there. Maybe that's like you post all those conversations. Maybe me, this, you, that, something to just those like humor as games. Some of them may hit inspirational too. Number 19, post FAQs, frequently asked questions. Okay, where maybe a lot of questions you get from customers. What was it like when you were registering for the course? I had an FAQ to answer questions like what's the course going to teach us, how long. Okay, I didn't put how long is the course, what is the course for, how's the course delivered, stuff like that. So you want to post things that people normally ask, but there's something that you should like you know brainer. Please always be your price. I don't need to explain this, but if you think I need to explain, please just ask me in the class later in the evening. And the last one, post about your business and your staff. Okay, let us get to know you better. It's very important. Let people see you and just be. That's why I talk about being human, because this business idea is not only you. And so even if it's only you, no problem. you are the owner of the business. Let us see, let's feel as if we're ready. Because social media, the first reason we're on social media is social media. Maybe instead of doing this thing, just going to be selling to people. You are the one that's just taking advantage of what Instagram has to be selling to people. So when you are there, let's see you compare, just dress up and post picture of you going for a wedding, just enjoy yourself. Alright, don't be too stiff. No matter the audience you have, people will benefit from seeing you. Okay, maybe in conference, maybe in church, dressing up, stuff like that. Just talk about normal things. Normal struggle. Let's know you. Let's see who you work with, how you treat your staff. See your delivery people in progress. Just use us. Well, we are ready to watch. Entertain us. That's why we are here. Alright, so that's the end of this lecture and lectures for today. I will see you tomorrow with more lectures. But later this evening for the discussion, please come with questions. We will discuss. Fortunately, even if I don't know the answer, there will always be somebody that has an idea and be able to explain it better. We'll find a solution for you. Okay? Try and make it for the evening class. Try your best. Buy data. Go to a quiet place. Make out time, because that's even the main part where we explain all these things. You'll be able to understand what your business is about, and then we can relate it to you and then help you find ways to start selling online. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for joining the class. I will see you later. Bye.